Yeah, I took the Supra for a drive, got into a bit of a street race. Didn't give it too much power, not all of its horses anyway, but I gave it some. And yeah, during the through second gear, it just, you know, started running like a dog. It just, now I've got oil in the intake system here, so it looks like I might be getting excessive blow-by on this car, on this engine. I've boosted it up a little bit, so it's running, it's probably got about, it's reaching about 15 psi, I would say, or close to that, 14-15 psi. And then it just didn't run too good. I've got all this oil just everywhere. The filter is dirty, oily, oil inside. I've been meaning to put a catch can on it, but I've just been a bit lazy. Look at that. I've just been lazy putting it on. I hope I haven't done damage to this engine. Look at that. So much oil. I don't know if it's a major problem here. Maybe there's a valve seal that's not good. Or it's just blow-by. I think it might be blow-by. I hope anyway. It's got me confused a little bit. It doesn't have a catch can, but I've got one in a boot that I was gonna install in this car. I hope it's not too late. It does have a lumpy idle, which I thought was just an injector. I've got an injector ordered that I'm gonna try and see if it, you know, helps. But look at these breather hoses right there. There's a breather hose there. Another one there. And the oil just shot out of those seals, out of those hoses on top of the rocker cover there, which means to me it looks like it's excessive blow-by gases that are pushing all the oil out as well with it. I might check the turbo as well. I might take that duct off. I'll take this induction pipe off and see what the turbo looks like. I hope it's not, you know, ruined. Now I have to clean that in. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Here we go. So I've removed the induction hose, intake pipe. So I just want to have a good look at the turbo to make sure that the turbo's not just damaged, man. If that's damaged, then we've got a lot of work to do. More money to spend. I wouldn't have pushed it if I knew that this was going to happen. Turbo a bit of a turn. Well, looks like the turbo's free. It's spinning. It's freely spinning. That's a good thing. I'm just hoping it's not too hot to touch. Oh damn, it's hot. It is hot. The other thing that it could be a turbo seal that it could have blown, but judging by the amount of oil up here coming from the rocker cover, ventilation hoses are coming out, the ventilation hoses from the rocker cover. I think that it's coming from in here rather than from the turbo, because the turbo, if I look deep down in there, it actually looks pretty good. Bit oily obviously, but it's free, it spins freely. I could just pocket it again. Yeah, it feels good. Oh, that's hot. And the turbo shaft doesn't have too much play in it, so I think that's a good thing. The turbo is okay, I think, which all leads back to this catch can business. I'll show you the catch can I got for the car. So this is the catch can I've got for the car. Just a cheap, you know, not too expensive. It's $94. That's it's something to start with. Do some experiments with this one. So this is the one I meant to put on earlier, but I didn't do it. It's interesting. I've never connected one of these before. I'm gonna have to try and work it out. There's no instructions in this box. See what happens with this thing. I hope it's still alive.